This recent revelation by JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint that the majority of the England-born Reggae Boyz will not get their passports in time for the Gold Cup and even the start of the World Cup qualifying. We understand that big-name players such as Mikel Antonio, recent goal scorer Andre Gray, goal scorer in the previous game Jamal Lowe, none of these players have any idea when they will get their Jamaican passports. Therefore, when they will become officially eligible to play for Jamaica. Again, the JFF at its worst, putting Coach Tapper Whitmore in an impossible position. The coach had these players playing against the USA and playing against Serbia, building a vibes and building a synergy, only to realize that when the Gold Cup come and when the World Cup qualifying start, the majority of these players, key players, cannot play. And they don't know when they will become eligible. So Tapper must now scamper back for some other players. And then in the middle of the qualifiers, the paper them come through. So Tapper have to now scamper back to the players again to rebuild the chemistry again in the middle of a World Cup qualifying competition. What can go so? JFF, why? JFF, why, JFF? Why again, JFF? Why, Mr. Wint? Mr. Wint, why, JFF, why?